A stone is dropped from a height h. It hits the ground with a certain momentum p. If the same stone is dropped from a height 100% more than the previous height, the momentum when it hits the ground will be changed by. So check the options. Here options is in percentage. So initially stone is dropped from a height h. Momentum p bar is equals to mass into velocity. Initial momentum p1 is equals to mv. The stone is dropped from a height. The final velocity when it reaches to the ground, v is equals to square root of 2gh. Momentum p1 equals to m into square root of 2gh. After then, the height is 100% increased and same ball is dropped from that height. In second case, momentum, let it be p2. Mass into velocity, square root of 2g into height is 2h. 100% increases means height doubled. Then p2 is equals to root 2 into m into square root of 2gh. In this place, substitute initial momentum. p2 is equals to root 2 p1. Now we want the percentage of change in momentum. Percentage of change in momentum is equals to change in momentum by initial momentum into 100. Change in momentum, final momentum minus initial momentum by initial momentum into 100. Final momentum root 2 p1 minus p1 by p1 into 100. Take initial momentum common. p1 into root 2 minus 1 by p1 into 100. Here p1 get cancelled. Root 2 value 1.414 minus 1 into 100. 0.414 into 100. 41.4%. The percentage of change in momentum is 41.4%. Approximately, second option is correct, 41%. So try to understand this question. This question is not the change in momentum. Percentage change in momentum. So in options, percentage is there.